Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nafa Elina. I will do the assessment for Mr. Falan. Yes, method of education as was. A teacher from Western country recently visited an elementary school in Asian country. In one case, she watched 60 young children as they learned to draw cat. The teacher drew a big circle on the blackboard, and 60 children copied it on the paper. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top of the first. They put two triangles on top of it. The children drew in the same way. The lesson continued until there were 61 identical cats in the classroom. As each student cat looked exactly like the one of the board. The visiting teacher watched the lesson and was surprised the teacher in method were very much different from the way of teaching in her own country. A children art lesson in her own country produced a room full of unique picture, each one completely different from the other. Why? What caused this difference in education methods? In our class, in a classroom in any country, the instructor teacher more than art, or history, or language. Her or she also teach culture, the ideas and belief that society. Its educational system is a mirror that reflects the culture of the society. And a society such as the United States or Canada, which has many national religions and cultural difference, people have value individualism. The difference between people teacher plays a lot important on the quality that makes a student special the educational system in these countries so that value students do not memorize information. Instead, instead they work individually and answer. Uh, Instead, they work individually and can answer themselves. There is often discussion in the classroom at an early age. Students learn to form their own ideas and opinions. In most Asian societies, by contrast, people have the same language, history, and culture. Perhaps for this reason, the educational system in much of the area reflects society believe in group goal and purpose rather than individual children in China. Japan and Korea often work together and help each other. One assessment in the classroom, the teaching methods are often very formal. The teacher lecture and the student listen. There is no much discussion. Instead, the student set rule or information that they have memorized. There are advantages and disadvantages to both of the system of education. For example, one advantage to the system in Japan is that education students learn much sense than American students learn by the end of high school. They also study more hard each day and more day each year than North American do. The system difficult, but it prepares students for a society that values discipline and self-control. There is, however, a disadvantage. Memorization is important learning method in Japanese school. Yet, Japanese students say they after an exam they forget much of the information that they have memorized. The advantage to the education system is North America. On the other hand, is that students learn to think for themselves. The system prepares for society that values creative ideas. There is, however, disadvantage. When student graduate from high school, they haven't memorized as many basic rules and facts as students in other countries have. Okay, here I will interpretive. I will read the summary from the article have I read just now. Okay, method between Western and Asian countries focusing on how these methods reflect cultural value. In Western countries like the United States and Canada, education emphasizes individualism and creativity. Students work independently, discussion and develop their own ideas. This approach helps students think for themselves, but can result in less memorization of basic facts. Yes, in contrast, Asian education system, such as those in China, Japan, Korea, reflect a focus on group goals and discipline. Education in this country is more formal. Mm, like the how or study that's like in Korea, example in Korea that's we can study 24 hours. This method led together knowledge is subject like math and science and prepare students for a disciplined society, but it might result in student forgetting memorize information after exam. Both systems have their advantage and disadvantage shaped by their respective cultural values. Okay, the connection with to religion, explain the connection to religion. I will explain. The reading mentioned how Asian educational system often focus on group goals rather than individualism, which can be linked to Confucianism, philosophy that's heavily influenced. The culture is countries like China, Japan, Korea. Confucianism emphasizes respect for authority, harmony and society, the importance of education, this philosophy and collective approach learning where students are expected to follow the teacher closely as in the example. Thou in the it is not cat. Thou it is from in conclusion, teaching the concept which refer to ritual norm and property is important. This reflects the structure and discipline approach in Asian classroom, where students are often expected to conform to specific standard and paths keep much like the uniformity seen in the drawing exercise. Okay, for uh, example according to the PISA in your 2018 result, students from countries like Singapore, China, and Japan ranked at the top in mathematics, reading, and science. The highlight the effective of their educational system in producing students with strong foundational knowledge. Although it also points to the positiveness. It also okay for connection to personal experience or observation. Example, if you experience or heard about classroom setting in both Asia and the West, you may have noticed how Asian classroom often follow a teacher-centered approach with students focusing on memorization and repetition. In contrast, Western classroom make encourage open discussion, debates, and the expression of individual opinion, promoting critical thinking and creative. Summarize how to the reading affect the broad cultural value educational philosophies of both Eastern and Western society have lately that while a system has strength and weakness, they both prepare students for different sociality especially the difference is this approach underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the diversity in educational practice around the world. The structure should help you deliver a well-rounded report that effectively connect the reading text with relevant religious belief, current educational fact, and personal observed experience. Okay, maybe just this for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.